All right, guys, today we're going to talk about why most people fail in social media marketing. And this is very important because a lot of you guys have been involved with SMMA. You still haven't made the progress that you want to make. And you're perhaps wondering, man, why am I making money? Why am I getting clients? Why this isn't happening for me? Why is it that Maurice went from zero to making $100,000 a month? Ladies and gentlemen, it's really simple. Mindset. This is number one. This is the number one reason. All right, why most of you guys aren't making the call. You guys aren't making the 10K a month. You don't have 20 clients yet. All right, it's mindset. You have to decide, ladies and gentlemen, that you're going to be making big. That's number one. Write that down. All right, because I want to give you guys, the psychology behind what took me from literally going from broke to making over $30,000 a month in social media marketing, and it's all about mindset, all right? See, a lot of you guys, when you're faced with adversity, you run. You get up out of there, you quit, all right? Too many of you guys quit, and I don't like that because if you're gonna quit, ladies and gentlemen, you'll never win because quitters never win and winners never quit. And it's time out for quitting. 98% of the people online never make money, all right? They never make money, and that's sad. Online, let me just put it that way, or in SMMA. They never get clients. And you know why? They're defeated here. Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you a smooth reality. If you're not winning up here, you're not winning out here. Let's say it again. If you're not winning up here, you're not winning out here. All right? Because here's the sad reality. If you're broke up here, you're going to be broke in your pocket. Why is it that I can reach in my pocket and pull out a wad of $100 bills, crispy $100 bills? It's because I'm rich up here. You know what I mean? You got to become prosperous in your mind before you can get clients and you can hit it big. That's why I teach mindset and philosophy. You come to my videos, I'm giving you the truth. You're not going to be able to make cold calls if you can't discipline yourself. All right? You're not going to be able to do the technical stuff if the captain, all right, is not on board. A lot of you guys have SMMA ship, but there's no captain. The captain is too busy watching Netflix and browsing social media and watching YouTube videos and doing all this stuff that's not revenue producing activities. And if you're not going to do revenue producing activities, you're not going to get to $10,000 a month, ladies and gentlemen. Let me tell you something, man, this stuff takes work. Let me put this up here. Man, it takes hard work to pull this off. And that's why I say 98, most people will never make money in social media marketing, and it's sad. And it's yet so easy. It's a 4-step process. You prospect, you get in front of business owners, you send them some information, you call them up, you ask them some key questions, all right, you close them, you collect the check, and either you fulfill the service or you hire someone else to do it for you. And there's qualified people that have been running Facebook ads and Google ads longer than you have that are better than you. And all you got to do is slide them a little money and they'll rank and get your client's phone ringing. Therefore, you make money. It's a simple process. Unlike internet marketing and Shopify and all the other businesses that you can start, it takes more of a learning curve to get that stuff nailed in. But you can dial in social media marketing within 30 to 90 days, all right? Easily, all right? You can nail this thing down and literally be making $5,000 to $10,000 a month, all right? That's how simple this business model is, but it goes back to mindset. When you get on the phone, a lot of you guys don't believe in yourself. If you don't believe in yourself, what makes you think a business owner is going to believe in you? If you're doubting, he's going to doubt, all right? Think about that, ladies and gentlemen. That's why I work on your mind. That's why I say buy the course, buy books, buy trainings, hire a coach. You got to work on your mind. You guys got to understand something. You were born for success, but you were programmed to fail. Your parents told you negative stuff because their parents told them negative stuff. Perhaps you were told you are nobody. I'm here to tell you you're somebody. You know, most of you guys are going through some hard times in your life right now. Perhaps the money's not where you want it to be. But whatever you got to do, especially for those that are in America, let me just, as a service announcement to everybody on YouTube watching this video right now, and you live in the United States of America, and you can't go and drum up $500 to $1,000 so that you can buy the courses that you need. All right, you have no excuses if you live in America, because we have so many opportunities that other people in other countries don't have access to. It's sad, ladies and gentlemen, that you saying you can't afford a course when you live in America, when you have Uber, you have all TaskRabbit, you have all these things, you have so many jobs and stuff that you can get to set aside the money so that you can get better. This all you're trying to do, ladies and gentlemen, is you're trying to get better. You got to get better. Most of you guys are sucking right now, and you don't have clients. And when I'm telling you to get courses and things of that nature, I'm trying to get you better. Because when you get better, your money gets better. Okay? Write that down. You guys hear me say that. When you get better, your money gets better. The reason why most people are struggling financially is because they don't know what to do. They're struggling for a reason. They have a problem. You guys have a problem. I'm trying to tell you SMMA will solve it. But here's the secret. You got to get better at the game. You got to get better at cold calling. You got to get better at communication with clients. And it's simple. 30 to 90 days. Okay, get the course. Get the things necessary to become successful. You got to pay the price for success. There's no free lunch, folks. You can't get something for nothing. You mean to tell me you want to go from where you are now to zero to making $10,000 a month without investing in your education? It's not going to happen. It's not going to happen. And I got to tell you the truth, folks, because my goal is to help hundreds of thousands of people make six figures in SMMA. And I got to tell you what I use and what my students are being taught. It's about mindset. So when we go into cold calling, we go in and knowing we're going to win. You never pick up a phone thinking, oh man, I wonder if they're going to tell me no. Oh, I wonder if I'm going to get somebody to tell me yeah. Before I do cold calls, ladies and gentlemen, it's like, all right, what do I want? How many appointments do I want to book? Before I pick up the phone, I'm already setting appointments. I'm already ready to play and have fun. When those guys give me those objections, man, I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm about to have fun. It's all about my mindset. And you guys say, dang, how does Maurice do it? Man, I got a mindset and a work ethic that's second to none. I get what I set my mind to. If I want it, I'm getting it, and I'm going to work for it. See what I'm saying? And if I got to get another course or I got to hire another coach, I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I'm getting it done. I'm not going to make excuses. Too many of you guys are making excuses, and too many of you guys are soft and you give up too quick and too easy. And that's not how you make big money. That's not how you do it. If you want to make big money, ladies and gentlemen, you suck it up, you sacrifice, you understand that in order for my money to get better, I got to get better. Okay? Those are the keys. So I hope you guys got a lot from this. Watch this thing 100 times because I'm giving you the goods to take you from where you are now, which is zero, to making $10,000 a month by changing your mindset and shifting it from loser, okay, to winner. How do you do that? Watch this video. Invest in yourself. Read the books. Go into your bathroom, look into your mirror and say, I'm the best. I make $10,000 a month in the next 30 to 90 days. I'm willing to sacrifice whatever it takes. I'm willing to put blood, sweat, and tears. I'm willing to invest my time, energy, and money into this SMMA thing, and I'm not going to stop. Okay? Keep going. Keep that in mind, ladies and gentlemen. I don't care how hard, how many people tell you no, how bad it may seem. You keep going and you don't stop. Keep going. All right, ladies and gentlemen, don't you stop. Because if you stop, you'll never hit your goal anyway. So you might as well keep going. Time is going to pass anyway, so just do it. See you guys on the next one. Make sure you guys comment below. Make sure you subscribe, hit the thumbs up. If you guys need help, click the link in the description, grab the course. I give you guys the blueprint, give you the keys to the kingdom where you guys can make literally $10,000 a month in the next 30 days. And if you've been doing this a while and you still can't get to the finish line, you need a coach. Click the link in the description, sign up for some coaching, and we'll hold your hand and show you how to do this thing the right way. My name is Maurice Gear. See you on the next one. Bye for now.